Some people ask me, what's my take on food? What is food? My philosophy on food, I say, food provides nutrition for body and mind. How I end up in Taiwan? Well, that's the story of all Tibetans scattered all around the world. Just like me, that's what happens when you lose your country. Taiwanese people here are friendly, hardworking, and they seem to have warm and affectionate for the Tibetan people. Phurbu is my name. Born in Tibet, escaped to India where I had my education. I ride my bicycle to and from work. Taipei has a bicycle culture and many people ride bicycle every day.